now I come to another chapter, one by one chapter. The Honorable Prime Minister मोदी जी, आपको हम बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं. आप देश का प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, आप सीनियर है एज में. जो सीनियर है, आप ही तो कल बोला उनको इज्जत करना चाहिए. हम तो इज्जत करते हैं, इज्जत भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमको I am in a opposition, I have to criticize also. And this is my role. That's the reason people of the Srirampur parliamentary constituency has chosen by a margin of 1,75,000 votes. बहुत ज्यादा मोदी जी का ऊपर से, बहुत ज्यादा. So Modi ji, why are you having so much hatred, vindictive attitude to the opposition parties? Why? In a democracy, opposition party will always criticize the ruling party. And that is the foundational job of the opposition party. Why we will hate all opposition leaders all the time, or we will spread hatred towards the opposition or to the minority? I never heard, sir, sorry, for long 10 years I have never heard from Modi ji any sweet words, any soft words towards the opposition is concerned. Any soft word, any sweet words. Never I have heard any praise by the Honorable Prime Minister to the opposition. Never. Never any praise to the chief ministers who are in the non-BJP state. Nowhere I have ever heard it, sir. With a great pain I am saying so. You, in our state, you hate our chief minister Mamata Banerjee. In Tamil Nadu, you hate Mr. Stalin. In Delhi, you hate Arvind Kejriwal. In Jharkhand, you hate Hemant Soren. In Maharashtra, you hate Uddhav Thackeray. In Uttar Pradesh, you hate Akhilesh Yadav. All the over. Karnataka, Sitaramaya. Anyway, and that is the reason. Exactly today, time has come. No. If you are arrogant, I don't mind. But today, time has come to oversee yourself. To oversee this arrogancy, this hatred, this vindictiveness have downgraded the popularity of Mr. Narendra Modi in India itself. You must appreciate that. This is the point which you have taken. Sir, what is called stable government with clear majority? What is called? Since BJP has lost 63 seats and not having majority on the basis of the strength of every political parties, you wish to redefine the term stable government. You are rewriting the term stable government. Fantastic procedure. आपने बोला था ना, अब की बार 400 पार बोला था. खेल शुरू हो गया था सर. खेला हो शुरू हुआ ना. खेल तो बहुत सा खेल है सर. चू कित कित भी खेल है. चू कित कित में चू धरा 400 में. कित 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 कितना हुआ? 240. वो गेम में भी हारा गया. सर आपको, हम तो आपको ही देख रहे हैं, हम किसी को नहीं देख रहे. एक बार देखने से साइड से आपको ही देख. सर हम इसलिए आपको, आपसे ज्यादा स्मार्ट इधर कोई नहीं है, कोई जेंटलमैन नहीं है जो उनको छोड़ के आपको देखेंगे. गुड एक्ट्रेस भी आया लेकिन उनको नहीं देखता है, आपको ही देखता है सर. आपको सिर्फ आप ही है, आप अंदर में. Now said, people of this, remember your attitude towards opposition. You could not fulfill your promise, whatever you made in every field, either in Mann Ki Baat or in Dil Ki Baat. मोदी जी का गारंटी है, लेकिन मोदी जी का गारंटी में वारंटी नहीं है साहब. पब्लिक there is no warranty. गारंटी है लेकिन वारंटी नहीं है. Sir, please keep in mind, I am addressing you. Please keep in mind, sir, that NDA government, this NDA government got secured around 48.86% vote, including 8.3% in NDA. Total is 48.86%. And what is the India got? This India got bloc. This India got bloc secured 51.14% vote. Remember, sir. Sir, yes.